Okay, I think we should be good now. Good morning, good morning. I think we're up and going. Let me just double check here. I think we're good. Let's see. All right, yes, we're up and going. Awesome. There we go. Sweet. Sweet. All right, cool. All right, we're getting our first move up today. Notice the 1 hour candle creating that wick right now. Made rejections down here at the lows. The big three, higher low, lower low there. Obviously wanted to reject to move higher from this area, but nothing good yet. Nothing good to enter yet. Still waiting, obviously. Sweet. Just give the overall view. We have this range created. We got buy side up here. We got highs from the news this morning. I know we're all-time highs, basically price discovery at this point. But I think it's just giving us a pullback for another move higher for the rest of the day. So I want to keep my eyes on that, see what we get going forward. We'll see what happens, you know? This accumulation of the downside. Let's see if it wants to accumulate some more. Because if it wants to accumulate some more, take out this low, maybe come down once more. Maybe we get a good buy set up later on, going up into the higher parts of this range. Because what do we have up here? We got these equal highs right here. Okay, pay attention to that. We got the news highs up there. Alright. But if it does want to flip around and go bearish, then preferably I'd like to see these highs at least taken out, come into the order block up within here before we get that shift down. So I want to be paying attention to that. Or even hit this high and then we get the shift down. But yeah, just gotta wait for more information and see what the chart wants to tell us. Nothing's ready to go yet. Just have observations of what's in the chart. See this 5 minute fair value gap that's sitting up here, this inefficiency that price might want to get to. So we got that area up within here. We got those equal highs. We got this high up here with this high. Liquidity up there. Liquidity down here. So if you go to the opening range too, the regular trading hours, we got this low here from yesterday. So we opened right about here. So this is where we opened. We closed there yesterday. We never hit yesterday's low. So I want to see if price wants to get down below the swing low from yesterday. And then give us a nice reversal to go long. Maybe something like this. Because we got a lot of buy side up here, you can tell. Or if we hit this first, like I was saying earlier, and then move down. But we'll see. We'll see. You don't always have to be in something. Some people could be in this buy right now. This is their trading plan, but not me. Just waiting on it. Get this making a higher high here, making a lower high here. So see what happens there. The goal in trading is to have focus, patience, and have good execution. It's not necessarily to make money. Because as soon as you start thinking about making money, that's when you focus on the outcome too much, when you actually have no control over the outcome. So then you have a problem with overconfidence. So as long as you focus on executing your plan properly, you're good. Whereas I used to look at something like this and try to catch every little move, like trying to guess, oh, okay, are we going to move now to here, or are we going to come down here first and then go later? I used to try to catch something all the time, but that's outcome focused and overconfidence, as if you think you know you're going to get priced to that area. Whereas if you just wait for your trading plan, then there you go. So we just broke higher here. Bearish SMT. But now we have this order block too with these equal highs. So we'll see what happens. You know, we have bullish SMT as well. We'll see if this order block wants to send price up or not. Damn, I'm tired. So we're pulling back down now on ES. We're staying here. We're coming back down below the new day opening gap now, which is this gray box you can see. This is why, yeah, this is exactly why I wasn't ready for it. I knew it didn't look great, but we'll see. It can still go either direction. I'm fine with it. Yeah, I'm going to grab one more coffee. I'll be right back. We're staying bullish here. Equal highs up there. Still nothing in my trading plan yet. Building liquidity down here. Get liquidity up here. The first 15 minutes just happened. We got a macro starting in 5 minutes, so let's see what happens then. Same shit, different day. Get this fair value gap down here if it wants to reach down here again. We'll see what happens. These highs kind of clean up here. Looks like it's going to drive higher into that high. I'm not taking it, but it looks like we're going to reach up here pretty soon. Like I said, I'm not taking this. Just going to watch price, see if it gets up there. 30-second. Propulsion block here. Just take that high, come right back down and hit these lows, and that's exactly why I'm not taking it. Look at it, it just keeps poking the high and coming back on in. Is that something you really want to be in right now? I'd say no, personally. See where it closes, it's got 27 seconds left. I'm sore as hell, too. After my injury from the damn dog bite I had, man, let me tell you. Been out of the gym for 2 months because, I don't know, the infection on my arm. But man, dude, I started working out again like a few days ago. And then like doing like 15-mile bike rides, dude. I'm sore as hell. I did shoulders yesterday, so now my shoulders, traps, and damn abs hurt. 15 point, I think 3-mile bike ride, 15.3. That was a long bike ride. I'm sore. Yeah, 2-minute close, pretty nice. Got this water block here. Let's see if this wants to just reject and go higher from this area. I'm still waiting on it. It's not the macro time. It's really not that clean to me anyway. Rejecting the fair value gap here on the left. Not really seeing the SMT. I mean, there's some. But yeah. If I was to take this trade, even though I'm thinking these equal highs, the execution isn't clean. So it's breaking my rules if I take this. Just chopping around, man. There she goes, ripping up. There we go, there's the high. High was met. Cool. See if it wants to reach that fair value gap in the 5-minute. That'd be up here. I marked up earlier. We didn't hit it yet. It's a little higher. We should get up there. Yeah, it's right there. We go. There we go. He's got it. Just tapped it. Oh man, it's like we can tell the future. Let's see. Yeah, I'm fine for not being in that because it wasn't my plan. I would have liked to see one more swing low, possibly an inversion of some sort to go long from there. Yeah, that was pretty good though. Yeah, because we had the swing low taken, we had the equal highs. Shifted higher, used the fair value gap. I just didn't see the SMT that I usually like to see for my type of trades for high probability. But anyways, we came up higher, we closed the 2-minute, used the order block here. So based on that order block, it was higher probability to still go up here, but the conditions aren't really favorable in my opinion. But yeah, we met the equal highs, and then we had the 5-minute gap up there. It's pretty clean. So now just wait for something else. Because honestly, if you really think about it, like what I was saying earlier this morning, you got the news highs here. So we could really start expanding up into that high area. Because we just had our macro start 2 minutes ago. So it wouldn't surprise me if we just start ripping up to those highs there. That'd be interesting to see. We'd have to invert this 5 minute. I want to see what happens here in this 5 minute area. Maybe more of like a consolidation of some sort. Tap into here. Poke in, maybe sell side. Some type of inversion. Another 5 minute inversion closure or whatever to go long. Just take out some internal sell side. Give me an inversion. That's a high probability setup, you know? Like, you can't beat that. And if you have SMT involved with that, like, well, SMT needs to be involved or I'm not getting in. But yeah, that'd be quality right there. But we could also reject the order block and pull back down. It's just have to wait, you know. You gotta be patient. Tapping the fair value gap up here, just rejecting it. I want to see Bitcoin either hit the high, those equal highs up there, or pull back a little bit. Do the same kind of thing that we're kind of looking like right now on the lower time frame with NQ. It's just kind of choppy to me. Look at the 1 minute, it's just kind of off. Just choppy. If you look over here at YM looks bearish. Let's go to dollar quick. So I'll be trading my Top Step X accounts today. So I got this one here. I got 2 of them linked together. So we'll see if we can take a trade on this one today. I'm also looking at my funded account here on Trade8. So see if we get something good. I'll take a micro position. If something is good that sets up. It's gotta be quality though. Got these equal highs here on ES. Ah, man. Yeah, think about power 3 too. Look how the midnight. We opened up at midnight and we just traded down and never got back up above it. Like it wicked it, but briefly. Just like some more price action for accumulation for longs though. That's like, just to give us some good entries, you know? If you enter now, your stops will be way down there. It's better to miss the trade if it goes up versus like actually waiting to see if we get a consolidation with some type of setup with SMTs and stuff. It's better just to wait. Get these equal lows here. The XY selling off big time. Very, very bearish 2-day closure. If we keep selling off down to these lows, which I think is possible, then price on the indices would go higher. See how this fair value gap reacts here on the 4-hour. Look at all these equal lows. Holy shit. 15-minute. Look at all these equal lows here on the dollar. So yeah, if we can get some type of reversal here. This thing might have to push higher though before it does that though. You got all these equal lows. Down there. If you go to those equal lows, these would go higher. And go get a drive higher here. 5 minutes about to close. 50 seconds. See if it inverses it or not. If we inverse it, we can see what we're getting here. And then we inverse that 30-second right here, and then we hit the high. Now we're pulling back in. Got these lows, these lows. Alright, 10 o'clock hour. Here she goes. Five-minute close below that inversion. GME is down big time. Yeah, fuck that. If we start getting closures bullish in this gap again, then it could be good to get long, you know? I just don't like these equal lows down here. On YM. Yeah, I'm not getting ready to take anything yet. Still waiting. Maybe we'll get something better soon. Oh, man. Making equal highs here in ES right there. See, it's just chopping around. Down and back, down and back. You're trying to push a button in this and trying to guess where it's going. You're probably pretty stupid. Unless you already got an entry lower. If you're already bullish. But like, trying to enter right now is... Dude, you got better luck at the casino. We were looking at for entry earlier, way down there. So notice how we're breaking down below the range here and we're staying bullish over here. There's no inversions that I'd want to take part of down here. There's a 15-second one. It just closed. Let's see if this rips up to this high and these highs here. First high taken. We just left the range, liquidity, now we're going back in, bullish SMT, all that fun stuff. But I'm not a 15-second trader, so I'm not trying to take that shit. I'm also not trying to catch such a tiny-ass move, you know. It's not quality in the higher time frame. Higher time frame gives you the condition. I don't think it's worth it to try to take anything here. I mean, if you took this, depends where you had your stop. 15-second inversion played out. Now we got these lows down here. It's seeking these lows right now, it's obvious. I would say this 30-second gap we're going to reach into. And maybe even lower than that. Gun to my head, we're going right there. Alright, we just hit it. Let's see if we hit these equal lows too. Going for these equal lows now. How far is she gonna go? Let's see if this gap gets inverted or not. Left equal lows here in ES, so yeah, that's prime for possible more downside. ES taking the low, and Q staying right up above the low. This was looking primed to go lower, but now we're actually starting to flip back bullish again. Hard time SMT here. The question is this SMT hold and then we move higher? I don't know. I mean, it's possible to get the bullish SMT. I know we get this 1 minute inversion up there. You gotta watch that. We got this fair value gap right here. I say if we invert this, we're probably gonna go long. Damn, son, there we go. We inverted that. Now we're in this fair value gap up here. Get these equal highs here. I like that inversion. I took a buy on that. See if that wants to hold or not. First target here. Second target, news highs. The SMT is what gave it away for me. We're back above the new day opening gap. I didn't need these lows taken. It might hit me out, might flip around. I mean, that's cool if it does, whatever. I just think these equal highs on ES are pretty primed after the move lower. So I'm not trying to micromanage everything here. I saw something that looked good, so I took advantage of it. I'm moving to break even as soon as we tap this high here. Money, you poke that high, baby, or not? Come back into the range. It's cool. It's cool. Bullish SMT, lower low, higher low. Yes, obviously the strong one. Get the order block here. Even if it is lost, it's not even 1% risk. Honestly, this trade's still fucking good. For value gap. Stinton versus 1 minute yet. That's the thing. Yes, inverted it, so I mean, let's see. The volume imbalance here and there. Maybe it pulls back down into there, I don't know. Equal highs. I'll take one contract on the funded. Actually, I'll do 2. I'll do 2. Looking up here. There she goes. A tiny ass risk. Because we hit that high on, yeah, we hit the high on ES. I said I was going to move it to break even. It might hit my break even. Sell stop. I'm going to put it at break even. Moving my trades to break even because that's what I said I was going to do. So I'm going to stick to what I said I was going to do. But we'll see if we hit the highs or not. Looking at my break even. About to hit her. I mean, that's alright. Sticking to my rules, sticking to what I said. So, I mean, that's all I can do. I think that was proper execution. I'd say maybe there's a little bit of fear in it, but I don't really give a fuck. Stuck to my rules. Trade looked good. Took advantage of it. I think we'd still go bearish, really, honestly. Like, we're rejecting here, we're at this high bearish SMT big time. So, I mean, I can flip right back around. If we go to the news highs, I mean, that's pretty solid. From there to here, so that's 40. From here to here, so it's probably 50, 40, so every 10 points is like 40. We'll see if it wants to rip or not. We got the order block here. 3-minute time frame. Order block. Yeah, just the price action's fucking garbage. It's so sloppy, bro. I mean, it's risk-free trade. I mean, you can't ask for anything better. You know? We already hit the highs. We ripped the highs here in YM now. There's dollars sending lower. Yeah, dollar just inverted this. So I like that in dollar. We'll see it. Let's see. Let's see. See if we drive higher. See if it pushes or not. Let's see. With how price is looking, I'll take one off right here. So it's gonna be like from here to here. 20. You know what? Nah, fuck it. We'll see. We'll see. We wanna see price really get up above news highs. You know, relative equal highs. Fuck, we're about to rip this high here on OIM. I know higher time frame is weak as fuck. No, like weeklies. She's moving. If I wasn't in this already, then I would, yeah. I don't know. If I wasn't in this, I definitely would not be in. I would not be entering right here. I took an entry based on just like a SMT is like, I mean, SMTs and inversions really did it for me. New day opening gap is support, you know? Bro, what the fuck is this shit? So 10 points is like 40 bucks. So at 20, so we'll be at 80 here. So we'll be at 40, we'll be 160. So yeah, we'll see. It'll be 160 right there. Oh, we go 160, so we need another 40. So yeah, we need to be up at 50. Yo, I don't like. You only allowed 2 contracts on Top Step. You'd have to have so many $200, like 5 like $200 days or something like that. This is mind-blowing to me they do that, though. This is a new funded, too, so we'll see how it goes. There she goes, baby. Just took profit on one of them on the Top Step X account. Ripping now. Getting up there. Yeah, buddy. How's the ES looking? The ES is looking juicy. If we get up and inverse this, I think we're golden to rip. Close one out and say be happy with it. Close one out here. Be happy with that. Whatever that is, profit. 40? Alright. Change this to one contract. Modify order. Yeah, I mean, I'm only using micros on this, but this other one I'm using this regular contracts. So this one's up 800. We'll see how this looks when we get up above here. I want to see this 5-minute inverse. We got another minute 30 on here. This 5-minute inverse is be fucking juicy, let me tell you. That'll be juicy. Think about it. The inverse is 5-minute here. Now that turns into support. So we get a 5-minute closure here. It turns into a support. A wicket, but juicy for that fucking buy side up there. Excuse my language. Beautiful. Thank you, God, for the patience. 2-minute close up above it. 3-minute inverted. Ooh, baby. She's looking golden. Let me tell you. She's looking good. So we just inverted that 3-minute. I'd say that's still golden. I mean, I don't enter this high end of the range, but looking at a 3-minute time frame, that's really not that bad. I don't think it's a bad position for another one. Breakaway gap, or say down below here. I want to be safe, but this high. Yeah, you get at least a 1-to-1 right here. So from here to here was 40. 20 points. I'm just trying to think if I entered this one right now one more time. I mean, you're basically risking the same thing. I'm moving my stop here though. I almost entered one more to get up into there. We'll see. Five-minute inverted it. Bullish as fuck. I entered one more position on my Top Step account. My other Top Step account, not my funded, my eval, I guess you could say, yeah. Five-minute inverse, bullish, fucking, dude, it's like primed right now. I mean, this is kind of like a breaker play as well. Because you got this order block here that turned into a breaker. Got bullish SMT in the wicks. I mean, there's only so much information you can get. And I mean, I feel like this is enough. Like, it's starting to get speed now. And I know some people, some ICT traders trade the 1020 to 1040 macro, but I don't think ICT ever taught that, but I know some people do. What's his name? Hydra talks about it. He's the GOAT, dude. He's good. Boring but consistent. That's what trading is. Why is it not giving me my... That's all I'm looking for right there. What the fuck? 20 points. Let's add another 40 to that. Yeah, this one's a funded. This account's a funded account. Close one contract. And I got the other one going still. I got 2 positions on this. So what I did with this Top Step account is that I had the position I entered right here, and then I closed one out in profit, which was locked in 339. And then we got higher. We inverted that 5 minute. So when it inverted the 3 minute is actually when I entered this 3 minute right here. So I entered that. So it brought my average order to about right here, and 5 minute as well. So my stop is below the inversion, and it's also basically break even. So we'll see. It's either gonna rip up or it's not. I mean, I'm gonna close. I'm gonna close one of them once we hit this high here on ES, because I think ES is gonna hit first. But I'm gonna sit back because anything can happen, you know. I'm a fucking robot. Fucking robot, brother. That's what you gotta be. Melt, bitch! We want to see DXY keep falling to the floor, alright? Yeah, go fuck some shit up, bitch. There you go. DXY, rip it down. Get the hand on the Bible right here. Let's go. It's funny, I've never traded the Bible like right in front of me. It's been a pretty smooth morning, honestly. Happy about that. Blessed. Alright, DXY is hitting that low very shortly. Very shortly. Bust through that low. If we bust through that low, we could possibly see this start busting up. Yeah, but we have a SMT at the wicks now. So we can't just automatically think we're gonna go up to the highs right now, because that's a sign of overconfidence. Like, we think we know what the market's gonna do. But if you look at the market from an overall perspective, we are bullish. We know we got bearish SMT. I personally think that we're gonna rip it into these highs here, at least on ES. At least. But obviously I'm not sure on that. I'm just targeting this area with a position. That's what I got. That's all I can do. Like, I'm not gonna act like I know it's gonna move next. I like the bullish SMT. We have bearish SMT, the higher time frame, so higher high, lower high. And now we got the wicks here. Let's see. I know we got a massive wick here on this 1 hour. We're near the high of this 1 hour candle, so maybe we do pull back a little. I'd rather see it not, but I mean, it is what it is. If we invert this 3 minute, then we might shift lower. Alright, DXY, just blast it. Just gonna blast this low. Come on, I know you're flirting with it. Come on, you want to push lower. I know you do. It's gonna give a big red dildo candle right through this. That's what she's gonna do. Ready? 3, 2, 1, rip. Alright, I was wrong. We'll see. Any second now. Dude, it's just stalling right here. It's gonna blow right through it. Dude, look at it just sit there. It's just doing nothing. The timer's ticking down here on the right, but it's just sitting there. Dude, it's just staying here. It makes me think it's gonna blow. Let me go to the 1 second. 5 second might be better. Dude, it's gonna blow right through it. There she goes. There she goes. She's down here now. Go line chart. I know DXY is being kind of weird. But no, we want to see it keep moving down. No, it poked through it. We got 22 seconds left in this 5 minute. I want to see it close down below here so we can go down lower into this range. I don't know if that's going to happen or not. We already have this range here. We're at 50% of this range. I know we got all these equal lows. If we go to these equal lows down here that we mentioned like early this morning in the live stream, then like I was saying, it'd be interesting to see if price wants to reverse back up. All right, we might just get hit out, you know. So I mean, we'll see. We'll see. We got this breaker here we're playing on. So I'm gonna draw that out real quick. This is all of this. This is gonna be the breaker. That's what the stop's also down right below that too. So stop's below this, so I'm gonna pull the breaker up. My stop placement's on the MNQ. So now we got these relative equal highs I like. Let's see what we're getting now. We got the pulling down, pulling down. Okay, we got S&T now. That's a good sign. So now you want to watch this. Okay, 30 seconds just inverted here. I'd say that's bullish again. Let's see, we're gonna poke that high. That's how a 30 second just inverted here. So we got another minute 20 on this 2 minute here. Let's see what we get. Come on, motherfucker. Push up. 5 minute close down below this, so body candle closure, that's pretty good. I like that. We can also always pull back into here and then shift lower. Let's rip it. Cool. I took another scalp position on the other account, so we'll see. See if it wants to keep going or not. How much are we up? Okay. Yeah, I don't like how it scales. I usually don't scale into positions, but I did on this one. Yeah, it's weird. I should have just left it alone. Anyways, I got one position left open. 900 locked in profit on the other one. So I still want my stop down below the 5-minute gap here. But we also have bearish SMT. It's really spitting some bearish signs now. Honestly. Yeah. So this might hit me out at 275. So yeah, this is what I did. I had break even would be down here, but I think I don't know. I don't even remember how much profit. I'm not trying to focus on the profit. But we had that 30-second inversion, so I entered that inversion right here. So when we inverted that, I entered that, and I came up here and I took off profit on that because I had 2 positions open, but I closed 2 up there, which ultimately gave me 905. Now we're closing back down below the inversion. We're probably going to come down into here. But yeah, we never ran up in. We had the bearish S&T and whatnot. But yeah, I mean it'd still be good even if this does hit me out. It's only about 300 off, so I mean still 600 on the day, a little over 1%. That's not bad. And then I haven't touched the funded yet, you know, since I got in it. So I'm gonna leave the funded alone. Look at all these equal highs up here. Maybe we do pull back into here. Or then we hit this, and then we go back up. And we have these equal highs here, and then this is what we hit later. So ideally, order block, I'd like to see it go. Like, that's honest truth. My other account like it too, you know? It's rejecting this 5-minute inversion, you know? So we'll see. We'll see. Get the 1-minute order block like I was saying right here. Bullish order block. We'll see if that acts as support or not. Yeah, because here was that 30-second entry that I took. Here to here. That was this one. Goated. All right, I'm going to go get more coffee. I'll be right back. Well, there we go. It's starting to move up a little more. That's good. I'm liking it. I like what I'm seeing. Oh, we poked the high again. We're staying lower here. We're almost there. Bearish order flow. Just slow down here. Alright, we're starting to push it. Six sister approach. They all just poked the high, so that's a good sign for more continuation. How much of this? I'm gonna measure this 5-minute wick here. We're not quite at 50% of it yet. We're about to hit that high here on ES. So I'm going to move it to my other screen. Okay, so we did just hit it. So I'm closing out my position here. So yeah, the funded account I just closed out. So that was a pretty nice trade in my opinion. Right here. So happy with that. I'm closing out on my other one too. I didn't get a good close on that. I didn't get to close at the high. But still 900 on that one, and then whatever here. I mean, I'm gonna do it. Whatever. But I mean, 100 on the funded, whatever. 100 bucks, 100 bucks. Okay, what do I do? Sit here for an hour and a half. Whatever. But yeah, I'm very pleased with how I executed my trades today and how I followed my rules and did what I said I was gonna do. We're likely to keep continuing up and through. This is likely to keep pulling back, but based on the information I have, I'm gonna sit out. So I'm now gonna make an X post to help me journal. So yeah, SMT. Just gonna record this in my notes. SMT, IFVG. That's 30-second IFVG. Clear, equal, highs, draw on. Clear, equal, highs, draw on liquidity. Make that capital H. OCD kicking in. Time. Execution, I would say. I'd say my execution, I would say an 8. I'd say there's like a small amount of fear in there. I think my focus was a 10. And then my patience, I think my patience was also I think my patience was, I'd say a 9. So I'd say it's pretty clean day for me. Look at this. We're just gonna keep ripping too. Yeah, what the fuck? Just gonna go in my journal, my notes. I'll bring it over for you guys. This 30-second IFVG. Like I said, execution 10. No, what I put 8. Execution 8, focus, like I said, 10, and then patience was 9. I mean, focus, patience, I mean, all go together. But I think I was pretty focused, but I still had like the urge, a small urge to want to get into something. So I'd say that's why my patience was a 9. So I'm gonna record that here too. So I'm gonna say 8, 10, 9, 8, 10. 9. Happy with the performance. Leave it as that. I'm gonna go over to X and post on X. Why not? Liquidity. Give a check to everyone. Yo, DXY still moving down lower. The fuck? It's fucking stupid as hell. What the hell? Yeah, sometime this computer, man. There she goes. All right, cool. There we go. And Q at the high. thought I had 2 together. Fuck. Oh yeah, I brought it over to the other screen. There it is. Do these equal highs here that we were looking at? This is really what made me want to get in this trade. If you missed it, you had this one. So if you missed this trade at the lows, you then had this 5-minute inversion. So the 5 minutes, what the fuck is my, there it is. And you also have this breaker. So stop to go down below. We also have another 30-second inversion that we're looking at here that I was saying too. That's where the eyes were right here. The whole time. All right, I'm taking off. I'm hopping off, but take it easy, guys. I love you all. Peace out. Hope everybody was safe and enjoyed a good morning from the charts. Pretty calm, pretty smooth. taking advantage of an opportunity that presents. Love you all. Peace out. Not financial advice.